Justin.
Alexis, run on bedroom.
This is your conscience, Justin. Come, Justin. Come hear what I have to tell you. I have something important to show you, Justin. Come see.
Hello, is someone in here? Man, I remember leaving my computer on. What's this? 2001 Suzuki Katana for $1,000 on Facebook Marketplace. Interesting. What if you would take 700? Worth a shot? So, message him up. I'm like, I got 700 bucks. Would you take it? And what did he say? He said, sure. So what did I do? I bought it. I went out and bought it. Why? Because I like it. Don't like the color, but I like it. Okay, let's go. Going to get it. I'm gonna ride it home. It's 30 degrees, but I'm gonna ride it home. It's gonna be fun. 30 degrees, I think it's 25 miles, give or take. So it's gonna be a cold ride home. I have my winter mask. I've got my gloves. I should be ready to go. Let's do this. You know what? Let's wait till tomorrow. It's kind of cold. Okay guys, totally tomorrow. I totally didn't just record all this right now at like 9 o'clock at night. I'm totally going to get the bike right now. So you know, let's get geared up. Let's go, give him the money and do all that fun stuff. I don't have anything recorded of that whole process, but I do have a recording of me riding it home. So let's roll it. Do what? That was nice. Yes. Here we are. What do you know? This garage is not so empty anymore. Might be light on so you can see a little better. Here we are. We got the CVR, and then this is the new addition to the family. Try to get a good spot. Okay. You know, probably can't see me. Nope. Can you see me? Hey, how's it going? So, this is it. 2001. I lost the key. Doggone it. In my pocket, don't worry. I got it. Yeah. It was in my pocket the whole time. Yeah. 2001 Suzuki GSX600f Katana. It has 15,000 miles on it. It runs and drives. It's a little dinged up. I'll show you some of the things here and there. But I bought this bad boy for $700. The guy was asking $1,000. I got it for $700. I was pretty proud of the deal. It's not a bad bike. I rode it home 25 miles. It was like 30 degrees. It was freezing. It's a pain in the butt. But I got it. It's here. It's safe. A few things here and there I'll outline. I'll give it a startup for you. Give you a look around. Okay. The Katana series are such a cool bike. I love the styling of them. Not a huge fan of the green. I'm sure you all can understand where I'm coming from with that. It's an interesting color. I'm more of a red and black person, even silver. But yeah, $700. I'd say it's definitely a good investment. I look forward to working on it. I'll show you some of the things here and there I'm going to hopefully work on. The first I'm going to do, I'm going to replace the brakes. I could tell they were a little mushy. I don't think they were full stopping power. Clean it up a little more. It's a little dirty. It looks like it's been outside more than I would have kept it outside, but not bad. 2 bolts rusty here. Pop those off, replace them. Take it around back. They swapped out the turn signals with these cheap eBay turn signals. I'm gonna hopefully find stock or semi-stock turn signals, make those look a little better. The rear tail light and the plastic back here, the bolts are missing, so I'll be replacing those. Right here is a little loose. I think the bolt is just loose, as far as I can tell. I haven't opened it up yet. I've been busy with work. And then down here, back a bit, the seat lock is currently, can you see this little string here? The seat lock is currently running off of a string. Well, maybe. There we go. So the person said that they, when they bought it, the person who had before them lost it, or it broke or something, I have no clue. So I will be replacing that. Hoping to find a stock one, of course. Yeah, like I thought, this bolt is loose. And while we're at it, might as well fix that. The latching mechanism, besides the lock itself, is the only thing that's missing, as far as I can tell. Show off the shoddy mechanical work. I love the twist on with the electrical tape holding on the wires of the new turn signals. That's a great add-on for this bike. Yeah. Like I said, I will be finding something that's somewhat stock to pop on there. I'm hoping to go for a mostly stock bike. I don't want to look like a jerry rigged up. No, I'm horrible at gauging. No, that's an 11. Let's go for 12. Look at that. There we go. Pop this bad boy on here. maybe. Part of the plan, my plan for it is I'm hoping to paint it black. There's quite a few imperfections and there's a minor dent in the tank. I'm hoping to, whether I fill those or whatever I do to it, if you guys have any suggestions for filling cracks and a small dent in the tank, I'd appreciate any advice. I want to strip this. I can't tell. I feel it. Right there. Tackle this side. Can't. No, maybe. Right there. Actually, the more that I look at this, I see some blue. I'm gonna get you up closer. You tell me what you think. Whether this be a replaced handle, it could be that this is a replaced handle, passenger handle, but for what I'm seeing there and on the actual plastic itself, I'm seeing some blue. So I wonder if this bike has been painted. I'm gonna take a guess that it might have been painted, or this is just a piece off of another bike, which then it would have to be painted anyway. So it might have been painted. Interesting. But yeah, I'll take you around some of the spots. So I'll be obviously fixing crappy turn signal wiring, bolts missing, replacing that latch. The latches are expensive. I don't know if you Google on eBay, yeah, you Google on eBay. If you go on eBay and look them up, a brand new one, I think it's $50. It comes with a key, but of course it's gonna be a separate key. I don't know how I feel about that. So I'm probably gonna end up having to do a used one. And just have a separate key for it. But that's not a huge deal. Okay, take you around and show you some of the blemishes here and there. So here's the gas tank. It's a doozy. It didn't puncture. There's no, I don't think there's any interior damage. It's very, very just cosmetic, as far as I can tell. So I don't know what I'm gonna do to do that. I don't think I can pop it out very easily. I might just have to fill it. Drop in the comments if you have any ideas or suggestions for it, I'd appreciate it. Come on down here, plastic scratches. Scratches here. Obviously taking that off, that's horrible. That's spider webs. The front is not bad at all. I don't think there's, maybe little scratches here and there, but it's just mostly dirty. Wipe up will take care of it. The lenses are pristine. That light works. Might do a black. If I do a black bike, definitely gonna black that out. I'm gonna do some new mirrors. Potentially block out the turn signals. Right here, here's another spot. It's not bad, obviously cracked, but looks fairly easy to repair. I'd assume some sort of filler, epoxy or whatnot. Come down here, more fairing scratches. That's honestly about it. I love the exhaust. Sounds very nice. I don't think there's anything else. I don't think there's, yeah, right here. Yeah, it's got some cosmetic damage, but it runs and dries. I feel like I'm stupid, but trying, maybe that's it. Maybe that's why my brakes were mushy. I didn't realize there was a adjustable, yeah, so there's adjustable brake line. Interesting. Experiment with that later on. Drop your thoughts in the script or the comments, guys. Let me know if you think I got a good deal or not. Appreciate any suggestions, ideas, paint wise. Man, I cannot line up the camera. There you go. You see me? You know what? We're gonna do an awkward squat with that. How's this? Is that good? Better? We'll try this. That better? Yeah. Appreciate your thoughts, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you checking out my channel, checking out the bike and all that stuff. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm working on some great content with this. This will be a fun project. I hope you guys stay tuned for it. Thanks to my current subscribers and all my supporters out there. I appreciate your time and your effort you've done for my channel. Once again, ideas, thoughts, hit me up. Let me know. I've been sick, and work's been crazy, so I'll try my best to get videos out. I'm aiming for once a month at this point. Don't hold me accountable to that. But, take it easy, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you.